Hi everyone, today I have Ingersoll Rand pneumatic impact wrench, and it's not working in all powers, so we will check what's wrong with it. Okay, so 4 screws here holding the housing and the hammer housing together. Okay, now I will check the hammering parts. Okay, always check corners of the anvil. Of course, check this place because sometimes you scratch it and the anvil is moving in the housing. You can check that in a very simple way. Just try to move it. So now it's good. Okay, just the hammers here. When checking them, check the corners here, and when assembling it, don't forget that these ones must look to the different directions, so they must be like this. Okay, so the hammer mechanism is good. Now we need to check the vanes or the blades. Okay, just lightly hitting it to the table. Okay, what we have here? Some rotor blades here. Okay, just removing the cap. So ring here. Removing the ring because we want to take the rotor out. Okay, it's not always going easily. Okay, I will try to do that with other pliers. Maybe with... Okay, no. I don't have other pliers for this ring. So we'll try to take it out with pliers I have. Okay. Now it's out. So rotor here. Of course, checking the gear here, the assy. It's good. Okay. Now we need to check the cylinder. And as we can see on the cylinder, is scratched. That's really bad for the pneumatic tool. As you can see, all scratched here, so definitely it will be expensive to repair. Okay. So now we have the button here on the handle. Okay, I will try to take everything. Okay, so now it's a holding plate here and here. We need to push it down. Okay, now we can take the switch here. Of course, we can see some dirty grease here. It's a button. Okay, so it's working. Of course, we can take this, check the O-ring here. Now it looks good. Okay, as we can see, the air connection is worn out, so definitely we need to replace it. Okay, so that's all for this tool. We need a new cylinder. of course, new vanes or blades, it's as you call it. Okay, and we need new air connection. So that was Ingersoll Rand impact pneumatic wrench. Okay, and thank you for watching. Of course, please subscribe my videos if you are not subscribed. Now you can follow me on Twitter, and if you have some questions or comments, please write me. Okay, thank you and bye.